Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year. Didn't get to 200, but hey, that's okay. Still gonna be doing videos. But I am gonna change some things up. I'm gonna be getting the uploading schedule. Gonna kind of do it whenever. Because I want to kind of put out stuff more that I really enjoy filming and stuff. Not just be like, yo, I gotta get out a video this weekend. But yeah. Thank you to everybody that supported me and watched every single video that I put out. And thank you to the people that do watch my videos and not subscribe. For that 80-something% of y'all.
Well, that's sad. We should subscribe.
I'm going to be getting into the video to be making a slightly crappy version of the Mandalorian Helmet. So, for the materials, beige craft foam, white craft foam, cardboard boxes. This is the main stuff I'm going to be using. With the white stuff I'm going to be using for the main head portion. Craft foam is a lot more flexible. Beige stuff, I'll be using it for like the sides, and then maybe like this strap, but the cardboard I'll be mainly using for the part that goes mainly around the back of the head and the face stuff. It's gonna be a little bit less than that. It's gonna be about right back here because of the middle thing. Decided to cut off the back here. So now what I'm gonna do is the top piece that goes from the back of the head to like right about here. I think I'll do a cardboard strip going off of that from the back of the head to here, and have a craft foam strip go on top of that. Alright, so now we're going to try to do the face. I have all this done pretty much. I'm going to try to do the face. Try to. And that's probably going to be the most difficult part of this build, is the face, because it's so weird. It has like things and it goes like that. And then, but yeah. So after a while I got the one of the cheeks done. Yo, what's up guys? So I have 2 of these face plates here. I have the face plates pretty much done. Alright you guys. So now I'm probably just gonna do do the head piece right here. What we got so far, I added this little piece, the top. This thing will attach to this like that. And you guys, so almost done. It's taken a while, as you can see, but it's looking pretty good. Gotta get the head part on and then do the details like on the sides and the back. I'm putting on this right here. Here's my technique. So I basically laid it over there, laid the craft foam on top of it, and then inside I just kind of glue right beside it. Not have this glued on top of right of this, but like kind of glue it right beside it. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. So. Alright you guys, so we've did the top. It's a little droopy, so I might fix that with like a hairdryer to heat it up, and then kind of like put like a bowl in it to kind of like flex it out to make it kind of pop more. And then on the on the top there's like jagged stuff right there and it's popping up. So I think I'm gonna put more cardboard on top of it to kind of layer it out, and then do that on the front. On the sides, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna just put a smaller layer out to cover the seam. So what it looks like so far. I mean, it's looking really good. Looking really good. Alright you guys, so I'm just putting on these little details here. Probably show a picture of what it's supposed to look like right there, but yeah, I'm putting this these little vent things on there. Done. Alright you guys, so I finally finished the details. I got everything basically done. All I really need to do is paint it and put the black film right there. So yeah, and so what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit it with some plastic dip, and then I'm gonna hit it with some of this. It's kind of a silverish with a metallic finish. I think it's gonna look pretty good, so yeah, let's get to it. You guys, so now we've got it all painted, and all we're gonna do is Shut up. We have Braden here. He's gonna be weathering it, and so yeah, we're gonna doing a time lapse of him weathering it right there. So yeah, but what we're gonna be doing is walking away. I put puffy paint in water and kind of mix it up real good, but it's really supposed to be acrylic paint, but I'm cheapskate, so and then just kind of paint it over it and then wipe some of it away, and it just kind of gets in the cracks and little crevices, little creaks, and it'll make it look a little bit more dirty. So yeah. finished this. This is supposed to be the visor for the Mandalorian helmet. I already finished that. So yeah. Flex on the AirPods, if you know what I mean. Anyways, so yeah, I'm about done with it, pretty much. So I guess we're gonna do a montage, I guess, and then we're gonna be done. So. Alright, you guys, comment down below if you liked it, and you know, if you want me to do more props, I'm probably gonna do more in the future. But yeah, you know, don't expect a video next week. I'm just gonna try to work hard on a video and then release it. But yeah, this turned out a lot better than I thought of it. I mean, it is a little bit more brighter, kind of want the weather a little bit more maybe. But I'll do that. I might do that on my own time. But I still think it's really cool looking. If you're wondering about the visor, I just got some plastic and sharpied it to be the black color, and then I tried gluing it in there, but it would pop off, so I just duct taped it. But yeah, I just kind of eyeballed where the visor is, and I just cut it out. Comment down below if you liked it, and you all can do requests for future props if you want. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please like it. Please subscribe. God bless and loose. See ya.